Most worship beginners learn C, G, A minor, and F, but they still don't sound like a modern worship. It's not the chords that are missing, it's the emotional voicing the big worship bands use. Let me show you the normal way people play this. It's correct, but it sounds basic, flat, and not emotional. And that's why beginners feel frustrated. Now try these shapes instead. They are small changes, but the emotion completely transforms. Like this is C, but you can add like C sus2. It's called CDG. Now try this shape instead, just adding one more chord. It's small changes, but emotionally transforms a lot. So instead of playing C chord, add the C sus2 as well. Now try these shapes instead, and you will see the amazing transform. It's not they are small changes, but it changes emotionally completely different. So see the difference here. First play C chord, then C sus2, then again C sus4, then normal G chord, then A minor, then F. So it goes like this. See the difference. It sounds completely modern worship, right? Worship keys isn't only what chords you need to play, but it's all about how you move between them. And the step number 3 is smooth transitions. Like you're changing from C to G, lift this one later. Like first C chord, then not complete, not like this. This is not at all smooth transition. It changes. But when you add and when you're playing F to A minor, change smoothly. That is how worship sounds like a practice. That is how worship stops sounding like a piano practice and started sound like a prayer. And step 4 is left hand pulse timing. And right hand is emotion and left hand is foundation. So when you're changing here, you don't need to change there like that. All you have to do is just playing one chord and using the boom chick rhythm, which I always tell in my videos. So when the left hand becomes steady, the right hand becomes free. So always remember, you don't need to change continuously like this, but when you learn properly, you can easily do that. But now follow this method. So this is what you need to learn when you're a beginner. Step 5 is dynamic build. This is a part that gives people chill. Like see once the difference the first time I play. Second time I play C once. You have to add the dynamics over there, like reducing volume, not the maintaining the same to same. And while playing this build, it's not speed, it's a progression of emotion. So let the last chord ring like that. If these 4 chords can already feel the emotional, if these 4 chords already feel this emotional with the right hand shapes, transitions, and dynamics, imagine what you will sound like. when s- when s- when someone gives you full step by step. I built the system inside my worship keyboard in 30 days course. If you're tired of figure it out alone and you're ready for worship to feel finally effortless, the link to join the course is in description. I would be honored to teach you. If you want if you want the worksheet of what you learned today, link is in description. And if you want to and if you want the exact worksheet what we learned today, the link is in description and in the comment section you can find it there.